Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up a simple but powerful N8N workflow that automatically creates talking videos using Google Sheets, 11 Labs, and WaveSpeed. Let's jump right in. First, open up your N8N dashboard and create a new workflow.
Okay then, welcome to another workflow. I hope you enjoyed the little introduction. I thought that was quite fun. I did that in a 30-minute period. So we've got this workflow. I've got to give thanks to Robo Nuggets. He put it out this morning and I thought it was lovely and I thought you guys might appreciate it. So without any further ado, let's get on with it. So first thing we need is a trigger. Just type in manual, get a manual trigger. That's just to operate it. And then we need the Google Sheets. I will put a link down below and you can just copy Google Sheets actually, or if we open it up, in fact I'll show you the Google Sheet here. It's a ID, image reference, voice ID, script, task status, output. If you take a screenshot of that, put it into ChatGPT, it'll make it for you, so you don't have to really bother messing around with all these worries about how to get Google Sheets up. It's done for you, so you can just do it that way. So we'll come back to the workflow. So in Google Sheets, you'll set up your Google Sheets as you would do. You get a row, highlight it, click it to your where you've got it in and how you've named it. It's a sheet, so we'll need a column by task status, then it's create, and that is it. Boom shakalaka. And then when you've executed that, it will go across here. I haven't got Alt in mine because I've just done it, so I'm not going to run through it because it's actually quite expensive to do. I'm just going to show you how it's set up, and then you just need to copy it and put it in and run it yourself. So once we've done that, it will just boom go all the way up here to WaveSpeed, which is quite a cheap alternative to FAL and Kia, and this is the only one that does the Infinite one at such a low cost, but it's still quite expensive. The audio, this is the audio node, so you just create a node, get your audio node, and that is the WaveSpeed address for it. It's 11 Labs. If you go to WaveSpeed, I've got it going here, put 11 Labs, 11 Labs Turbo it is. Hello, update bugger. There we go there. Just click into your API and then you've got your curl submission here. You can just put it in by the curl. It is a pain in the ass because you've got to delete stuff. What I suggest you just come here, put that into your header, set up your credentials. It's a generic type, header off, and then if you haven't set up WaveSpeed, you need to set it up, and it's an authorization bearer with a capital B, space, and then in. But we'll go back here and it tells you how to set it up anyway. So it says authorization there, bearer there, and then space and your WaveKey API, which you can just do and add some credits. You will need some credits to run this, $5 possibly. And then when you come to wanting to input this into your expression, just do it there like so without the little extras. Copy it back in here, so you've got a send body, it's a JSON type using JSON, and in the expression we'll open it up and you just copy it out in there. What you will need to do, because obviously if you see here it has all this text in, so what you need to do is delete the text and then input your just copy this and it'll just do it automatically for you. Your voice ID, and then I should have pinned it all, shouldn't I, so you could have seen it all. And then your text that's coming from your Google sheet, and just drag it across and put it in there. If not, just cut and paste this, pop it in, and it'll do it. Don't need anything else done. Then you just execute. Then you get a wait node. Got it for 20 seconds. Then you've got a get thing it. Now, when the get URL, once the wait node's come past, go to it. When in the wait node, just get the URL and pop it across there. Done. Your normal header off, connect again. You don't need anything else. And that's that done. And that will give you your audio, which is really brilliant. Then obviously you need a switch node. Your mode is with rules. Just copy that status there. You just need that once, twice, and done. Then equals to completed. Make sure that's on. Name it success. That's saying if it's completed, it's success, and it'll move on. That's the same as that, so it doesn't matter. The equal to processing. If it's processing, it will loop around in a minute, keeping it on. And then you need to add the option extra output. Job done. Now with that, when it's in progress, you'll loop that back round into the wait node, and that'll just loop until you've got it. Once you've got it, it will go up here. We've got a fallback loop here that's connected to this sheet here, which we'll get to at the end. Also, that one's connected to the end. So once you've done that 4 and you've got it all connected, just highlight all 4, copy them, and move them across here. And then all we have to do is change the URLs for where they're going. So this one's create a video. Obviously, when you're doing this, just make sure all these are worded the same so you don't get any errors. So now it's a post. We're going to wave speed here, which is the InfiniteTalk one. Now let's go here to InfiniteTalk. So that's this one here. Again, go to API, and there you'll get from here the address that you need. As before, you're going to authorize it. Well, your authorization will be set up now because you've just done it, so that doesn't need doing. And you just bosh this in here. Do not get that, just get the brackets, forget the little what are they called? Speech icons, whatever they are, can't remember what they're called. And then back to here. Again, JSON, using JSON. Copy it in there. In fact, you don't need to do that, you just need to highlight this one and copy that one. Get ChatGPT to copy it. Make sure it's 480 unless you want to spend a fortune. Obviously the higher it is, you could upgrade it later, but you don't really need to. Have you seen with the video it weren't that bad and it's at 480? I mean, all you're actually doing is from the switch node, is just getting these requests, audio and image, and jobs are good. But if you just copy that, it'll do it for you. Nothing else on there. Then you've got a wait node. I'm going to change this because I've got it at 20 seconds. I'm going to put it at 40 seconds. Oops, not that long. I'm going to put it at 40 seconds. Now this, when it waits, will take forever. So I suggest when you've sent this, pin all of these. Because what you don't want to do is request it again, because if you don't pin them, it'll just do it again and get double billed. So make sure they're pinned. I would suggest just build this first before you even start playing. Then we go down here, it's just another get request. And you're getting the data from the wait node. Nothing else, just a URL straight into there. Easy peasy, this one. Then you've got your switch node. Same again, same as before. with the JSON data status, success, processing, in progress, and you've got your extra output. Now when it succeeds, you go to your update row in your Google Sheet, connect them all up, connect your sheets, manual mapping, row number, get that expression. I had a little bit of trouble doing this, it didn't work for me properly, so all I did was put the row number in. So like we've got here, just put that expression in, it should be good. Then your task status will be done, and your output is the output you get with your MP4 file on it, and that's all you need, and that's that done. If you do have an issue here, I'm just going to copy this for a minute. I'll just delete it. Go back to your Google Sheet, see what the row is, and then just manually put the row in. So if it's row 2, put row 2. If it's row 4, put row 4. If it's row 44, put 44. And that will just make sure it hard codes it through instead of it being dynamic. So if you do get an issue, just do that. I'm going to put that back. And the final one is the errors. And this is just to tell you that why is it not being made. You don't really need it. If you want it, you can have it. It's there to be had. Then connect your sheets up, row number. You do need this one though. So input rows, make sure you've got that, copy and paste it, get it in ChatGPT, get it back. Then we're going down where it says task status, it's put in error, and output, you need that code there as well. You definitely need that one, otherwise you won't get it. So just copy and paste that, and jobs are good. And that will give you a nice little video. Let's see when I have this video. Did I download it? Let's have a look. An hour ago. That's how long ago I did it. So an hour ago. Let's have a look. You've seen a bit of it before. Let's see if it plays, because it's a bit dodgy on mine. Come out of here. Let's go. Where did I put it? You've seen it anyway. I'll probably play it at the end of this fully so you can just see what it does. And that's it. The next video I'm going to show you something else that's quite Gucci that I'm going to set back up after I finish this, which is N8 Envoy, which is, I'll highlight who it's from. Absolutely marvellous bit of kit. But there you go. Happy days. And make sure you save it before you do anything else. Well, and it is such a straightforward workflow, and I think it's fantastic. Save your time, save you being on camera. Beautiful. Hope you enjoy. See you later. Oh, forgot something that you need to know. Right, okay, when you're going to your sheets, your ID is just the name of what you want to call it. Now your image reference, I got Cloudinary, so make a Cloudinary account. That should find that auto log me. Sign in with your Google account. And then you can just upload your assets. You'll need your ID. Where do we find the ID? I can't remember now. That's not it. Image, media library. Where did I get my ID from? Yeah, not bother now. Probably come to. You can work that out yourselves, or you can put it in any way you want. And what you need to have is the actual URL, because it's online and you need it in that format that you're gonna have. So if I copy that URL there, go into Sheets. That's the image reference. Paste it. No, I'm copied as it. Where are you? Over here. Let's have a look. Right. So URL. Copy URL. And it comes up with the URL. You see it's a PNG file, and you need that so it can go into the N8N. Let's copy that. Yeah, whatever, yeah. Yeah, it's not copying for me for some reason. Yeah. But yeah, you get it from there. Right, so let's just do it the old-fashioned way. Get off. Copy it. In. I haven't even got this attached up, so I don't know why I'm bothering. Right, and then you've got that, then if you double click it, it'll take you to the download of the picture, which is what you need for N8N. If you ever got a link in there, it doesn't download, it won't work in N8N, it'll just come back with an error. So then the voice ID, we get it from 11 Labs. God, my tongue. So let's go to 11 Labs. Spelling's atrocious. Go to 11 Labs. Log in. Go to voices. And any voice you want, you can just pick whatever you want. Let's go here, let's hear her.
And here's the kicker. I found a secret recipe.
You just go into the three dots, copy voice ID, go back to your sheets, which I've just lost for some reason. I must have clicked out on it. Yeah, I'm all over the shop today, aren't I? Google Sheets. Oh, come on, Sheets. Why didn't you come into there? I'm having a mare, aren't I? I'm going to edit this out. Right there. Why does it give me a million? Alright, I'm having a mare. What's going on? But that's where you get your ID from. You just put your ID in there. Then obviously you want your transcript, and you put your transcript to whatever you want to do into the transcript part. Right. History. Where's my Google Sheets? Your script there, you'll just put your script in. I did a script with ChatGPT, put it in there. Your task status, you will need to make it to a drop down menu. So when you come to a drop down menu, just put create, done, and all that good stuff, and that'll do that. And then you just need the output for the output URL that you receive when you've done the video. Right, hope that's cleared that bit up. Cheers.